Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Emma.
And I'm James.
James, today we are talking about something simple but scary.
Very scary for many people.
Yes, today's topic is introduce yourself confidently.
Sounds easy.
But many people become nervous when someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
True. Suddenly, brain goes on vacation.
Exactly.
Mouth becomes dry.
Hands start shaking,
Heart beats fast.
and English disappears.
Completely disappears.
James, have you ever felt nervous introducing yourself?
Many times.
Really?
Of course.
Tell me.
I remember my first interview. The interviewer smiled and said, "Tell me about yourself."
Easy question.
That's what I thought.
Then?
I forgot my own name.
What?
For 2 seconds.
James.
I was nervous.
So what did you say?
I said, "Hello, sir. I am me." He looked confused.
I am me?
Very powerful introduction.
Yes. Very deep philosophy.
Thank you.
So today we help people never say, "I am me" again.
Please.
First, why do people fear introducing themselves?
Because they think they must sound perfect.
True.
Perfect grammar.
Perfect accent.
Perfect confidence.
Perfect smile.
Perfect hair.
My hair never helps confidence.
Mine looks like emotional noodles. But the truth is simple.
Tell them.
You do not need perfection.
Yes.
You need clarity.
Exactly.
Confidence is not loud voice.
Nice.
Confidence is clear voice.
Beautiful.
Emma, what is the first rule of self-introduction?
Relax.
That's important.
When people panic, they speak too fast.
Like train without brakes.
Exactly.
So step 1,
Breathe.
slow,
Smile.
natural.
Then start simple.
How?
Example.
Good,
Hello, my name is Emma.
easy,
I am from India.
clear,
I enjoy learning English.
nice,
I like helping people.
simple.
That is enough.
Many people think introduction must be big speech.
No.
It can be small and strong.
James, what mistakes do learners make?
Big mistake number 1. Memorizing like robots.
Very common.
Hello, my name is James. I am 25 years old. I live in city and my father is…
Stop breathing first.
Exactly.
Why bad?
No natural flow.
True.
Confidence sounds human.
Not machine.
Unless you are a robot.
Are you?
I cannot answer that.
Suspicious.
Continue.
Mistake 2?
Overthinking.
Huge problem.
People think, what if grammar is wrong? What if accent sounds bad?
Yes.
What if they laugh?
Then fear grows.
Exactly.
But simple English is powerful.
Very powerful.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Imagine school. Teacher asks, "Introduce yourself."
Nervous moment.
I begin.
Go.
Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. I am from Jharkhand. I enjoy learning and new things. I love improving my English speaking skills. I am a calm person and I always try to stay positive. Nice to meet you all. Perfect. Why? Short? Yes. Clear? Yes. Easy? Yes. Confident? Exactly.
Now, office example.
Good.
Hello, everyone. My name is James. I recently joined this team. I enjoy solving problems and learning new skills. I like working with people and improving myself every day. I'm excited to work with all of you.
Nice.
Professional.
Smooth.
Friendly.
Good tone.
Emma, what about meeting strangers?
Important.
Many freeze.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm James.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ranchi. What about you?
I'm from Palamu.
Oh, nice.
What do you do?
I'm learning and working on my skills. What about you?
I enjoy teaching and speaking English.
Natural.
Easy.
No pressure.
Exactly.
Confidence grows from practice,
Yes.
not magic.
James, what if someone says, "Tell me more about yourself"?
Good question.
Then many panic.
Yes.
What should they do?
Add 3 things.
Which?
Personality,
Good.
interests,
Nice.
goals.
Perfect.
Example:
Yes.
I am a patient and hard-working person. I enjoy reading books, learning English, and improving communication skills. My goal is to become more confident in communication and help others through my journey. I believe patience, practice, and consistency can change a person's life. I'm happy to be here and excited to connect with all of you.
That's beautiful. Why strong?
Personal,
Yes.
positive,
Yes.
clear,
Yes.
confident.
Exactly.
Final message:
Do not fear introduction.
your story matters.
Speak slowly.
Smile naturally.
Keep it simple.
Practice daily.
Confidence is built.
Not born.
So next time someone says,
Tell me about yourself.
don't panic.
Don't run.
Don't hide behind a chair.
Very important.
Just smile,
Breathe
speak.
and trust yourself.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
Keep growing with English to Flow.
Bye, everyone.